right, today we're going to take a look at a whole object and think about how we can equally share this object. So today we're going to pretend that this paper strip here is a granola bar. I'm going to share this granola bar with 3 of my friends. So 4 of us total are going to equally share this granola bar. We each get an equal part of this whole granola bar. And my friends are letting me take my piece first. So I have to remember it's myself and 3 others. So we need to have 4 equal parts. They're letting me take my part first. So I'm going to fold where I think my equal part would be, where my equal share would be. So again, pretending this is our granola bar, and I'm going to think about what my equal share might be. So I'm going to visualize how many or how far I should go here so that myself and 3 others could have an equal part. So I folded the paper. Right here we can see that I'm thinking this is going to be my equal part, and that leaves the rest of this whole for 3 of my other friends. So how can I check to make sure that this part, and I'll draw a line so that you can see, so that this part is an equal part of the rest of this whole granola bar so that all my friends can have the same amount. So I'm going to cut. One thing I could do is cut right on that line that I just drew where I folded on. And I can remind myself, okay, so this is still part of the whole, so that's 1 part. There's 4 of us total, myself and 3 friends, so 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, and 4 parts. So I can see that the part that I cut, and I'll show you again here, so this was 1 part, 2 parts, I'll hold my finger in place, 3 parts, and 4 parts. So my part is just a little bit longer than this last part here, but I think that's pretty good. So my part right here is 1 part, 1 equal part out of 4 equal parts total of this whole. Okay, let's try with another paper strip. So this time I'm in a group with some classmates, and we need to share this paper strip. We have to each have a portion of this strip, and there are 3 of us total in this group. And so we are going to have to have an equal part. So I'm going to again fold where I think that my equal part will be. So I'm going to draw a line, easy for you to see where that fold is, and I'm thinking that this is going to be 1 equal part out of 3 equal parts total of this whole. So again, one way to check it, I could show with folding this time. So this was 1 part, and if I do another fold, then I'll open it up, and I can even see right now when I folded that over, I do have some left over here. So here's 3 equal parts, but this one actually seems to be a little bit longer, so let's cut where I thought. Again, this is my whole. There's 3 of us sharing this paper strip equally. Here's where I thought this part would be equal, and if I check it, we see from here to there, and from there to there, 1 part is just a little bit longer, but we did have a little bit left over of that paper strip. So our goal is for this activity to fold or cut paper strips, or to even draw a line in the shapes, the holes that are provided in this activity, to show specific equal parts of the whole.